Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Introduction to Project Management, BUS250. There are only 3 of you in the class this term, so it's very important that you post regularly to Yellow Dig. Your classmates depend on it. The Yellow Dig points have been adjusted to reflect the small class size that we have this term. Also, I want to let you know that the world of program management is complicated, and as such, you will be having an assignment due every week. So don't delay and don't get behind. Every assignment builds on the one before it. So they're important to get done on time. We will have live meetings during weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7. They will be interesting if you come to our meeting and are prepared to be engaged. I've chatted with most of you and have determined that Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. Pacific time, will be the time of our live meeting. If this doesn't work, we can adjust. There's only a couple of us. So keep me informed on your schedule. I want you to show up. I want you to be engaged, and I want to have fun with this. Whether you believe it or not, you are all project managers already, and we're going to talk about that during our first meeting. I hope to see you there, and it's going to be a fun class.